Beco do Cego, human fillet, your shoreline man's alley. The alley's lanterns lit his way, where a blind man walked back in the day. The glow of the lights, he could feel its dim. To this day, a street named after him.
Cego Alley lights the way. Cego Alley illuminating the way. Cego Alley of the blind man's day. Cego Alley just ideal for a blind man's stray.
Cego Alley lights the way. Cego Alley illuminating the way. Cego Alley of the blind man's day. Cego Alley just ideal for a blind man's stray.
Okay, this is a little alley. I'm just trying to make sure I capture every alley in Macau. This is called Beco do Cego. I might have mispronounced that, but we're gonna see what's in there. And then we'll also give you a little idea of the other stuff around it. So we'll probably end up walking around this block and coming down this way a little bit and just kind of make it into a little circular thing. And we'll be starting in this little alley right here, slice of Macau. Okay, Macau, Beco do Cego. So this particular street is, in Portuguese, it's like blind man's alley. I could be wrong. Please correct me if I am, but that's what that's my interpretation of it. But nonetheless, it doesn't really matter because it's actually like a really cool alley just because it's so narrow that I can actually see, you know, how a blind man could navigate that straight alley of just. So anyways, I just kind of made a song. I kind of put in the lantern lights in it and illumination, but also just, you know, you can't stray from this. So anyways, I threw that up there. The lyrics are going to be at the end. You also saw it on the map as well, so you can see exactly where we were. And let's just get right into it. So anyways, the song was I created it, and then I fed it in AI, and I put a Portuguese bossa nova kind of theme to it. Anyways, let's get right into it. Walk and talk time. We're gonna go around this whole block and come back to our alley, blind man's alley. Beco do Cego. Another slice of Macau for you. Okay, so we're going to be going down this little space. Let's just start out going directly to it. We'll just see. It's kind of cool because when you get in these little areas, you never really know what you're going to see. So we have a little labyrinth of stuff up there. Periscope. So it looks like a little bit of a horchata bun and other stuff as well. And then you got this whole little thing of all these apartments all the way up as well, which is kind of interesting too. Macau. We're gonna go all the way in. And that's actually, so that's called Beco do Cego. So now we're just going to walk up around this block a little bit, give you an idea where we are. So let's go up this way before we can go up. If the lighting is just about right as well. So yeah, we're kind of in this area called there's St. Paul's, see on the left. Then on the right it'll be like Palha and Sado Square and such like that down this way, St. Dominic's. So let's go up this way. So these go all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins, way up there. Let's see if we can capture way up through the crowds. You can see St. Paul's Church would be way up there. Okay. So we're gonna go down this way again. So yeah, actually we're gonna be kind of going down a few different streets, but the whole idea anyways is just to give you an idea. This is always crowded in here, by the way. St. Paul's, we're gonna be going all the way down that way, then back down that way. Tons of people. Okay, so we are going to go down this way. Okay, so we're basically just going to walk around this block, but in the process we kind of give you an idea of the context of that small little alley while showing you what's around here. There's a little tourist spot, some t-shirts and such. So that up there was kind of the main pedestrian street where all the tourists go. And then down this way would be the Mercadores, which is the street of the merchants. We go all the way down that way. So that's the street of the merchants down that way. The lighting is kind of nice right now, so then we're gonna head back towards Macau. It's relatively new. I don't recall seeing that parking garage over there. And we're just gonna head back to our street, our little alley. Get back on the sidewalk here before a car comes. I'll give you a little bit of context. So before we go up to our street, this goes all the way down to the waterfront. So our street is up there. We're gonna go down there in a second. Let's kind of navigate like this real quick. I'm gonna just come over here because it's kind of photogenic right here. That's Ivanario Street, just so you can kind of get some context of everything. So our little alley that we started at has a nice, nice location, very central to all of these things. And then this goes all the way down to the waterfront. There's Pont 16 all the way down. And we're gonna angle back. And now we're back on our street again. And then we're gonna go back to this little alley. It's kind of cool. And that's Beco de Cego right there. Okay, so we're gonna end our street. So it's right in that little alley right there. Okay.
Where a blind man walked back in the day, the glow of the lights, he could feel it's dim. To this day, a street named after him.
Cego Alley lights the